Want to unlock the power of AI and create stunning visuals in seconds? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 image generation tools that are transforming the creative world. From mind-blowing designs to artistic masterpieces, these tools have got it all. Whether you're a designer, an artist, or a marketer, these AI-powered platforms will take your visuals to the next level. Let's get started. Tool 1. Adobe Firefly. First up, we have Adobe Firefly. Integrated into the Adobe Creative Cloud, Firefly offers seamless functionality, especially for those already using Adobe products. It's perfect for designers looking for an all-in-one creative tool. Adobe Firefly allows you to generate images, patterns, and text effects. It's also great for refining your work directly within the platform, providing more control for professionals looking to enhance their creative process. Tool 2. Leonardo AI. Next, let's look at Leonardo AI. If you're into high-quality, artistic images, Leonardo AI is for you. This tool is designed to help artists and creators generate sophisticated artworks in unique styles. Leonardo AI gives you complete creative control, allowing you to generate artworks in various styles like realism, abstract, or digital painting. It's a fantastic choice for artists who want to customize every detail of their image. Tool 3. DALL-E 3. Now, let's dive into DALL-E 3, developed by OpenAI. This tool is incredible at generating realistic and creative images based on any text prompts you provide. DALL-E 3 is fantastic for creating conceptual artwork or product designs. Whether you're designing a futuristic city skyline or exploring creative concepts, DALL-E 3 can generate stunning visuals with ease. Tool 4. Ideogram. Next is Ideogram. This tool stands out for generating conceptual and emotionally driven visuals, making it a favorite for storytellers and content creators aiming to capture a specific mood. Ideogram excels at creating images with depth and emotional impact. It's the perfect tool for conceptual art or visual storytelling, allowing you to convey emotions and atmospheres effectively. Tool 5. Bing Image Creator. Last but certainly not least is Bing Image Creator, powered by DALL-E. This free and simple tool is great for anyone looking to generate quick, expressive content. Bing Image Creator is perfect for marketers or anyone needing fast, high-quality visuals. With its easy-to-use interface and customization options, you can create eye-catching content in no time. Closing. So, there you have it. These are the top 5 image generation tools, each with unique features suited to different creative needs. Whether you're a designer, an artist, or a marketer, these tools will take your visuals to the next level. Call to action. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.